Hello fellow Onewheel enthusiasts, I'm John.
And I'm Lacey.
And we're Synergy Whiz.
About 3 years ago, John came up with a genius idea for a product that would make the Onewheel easier to carry and would also provide nosedive protection.
And from that idea, the glider for Onewheel was born. It replaces the Onewheel stock bumpers with a handle bumper on one side and a wheeled bumper on the other.
As a full bumper replacement that adds 2 small wheels to the front of the board and a handle to the rear, the glider allows you to easily roll the heavy Onewheel like a piece of luggage when it isn't in use.
The 2 small wheels in the front bumper also provide nosedive protection by allowing the board to continue rolling if the nose of the board catches on the ground. This gives the rider the time necessary to make an emergency dismount in the event of an impending crash, or even ride out the crash.
The glider bumpers are designed with the same dimensions as the stock bumpers, so they're compatible with most third-party accessories that also work with the stock bumpers. To install, you simply remove your stock bumpers with the glider's included hardware kit and replace them with the glider's bumpers. You can always reinstall the stock bumpers, so the glider will not void your Onewheel's warranty.
There's also no need to worry about the glider blocking your Onewheel's lights because we built openings into each bumper to allow light to shine through.
We've spent 2 years selling this product as a 3D printed accessory, listening to your feedback, making the changes that you asked for, and watching it become a truly customer-driven design as a result of additive manufacturing.
But we've gone as far as we can with additive manufacturing, and we're ready to make the biggest improvement yet. An injection molded glider v3.0 with stainless steel glider plates.
The injection molded glider bumpers will be professionally manufactured and molded from solid reinforced plastic, significantly increasing the impact resistance over the 3D printed v2.0 and surpassing the quality of the stock bumpers. You'll not only receive a nosedive protection device, handle, and protective plates, but the strength of your entire bumper will be increased.
Each XR package will include a set of battery protectors and 2 protective glider plates made from stainless steel, providing the highest level of protection possible for the underside of your board. This is ideal for aggressive riders that are looking to push the Onewheel to its limits.
We'll also be adding several new features that we're very excited about, all of which have come from your suggestions. We're including threaded screw inserts, screws, and hinges, all made from water-resistant stainless steel, magnetic handle locking to ensure that the handle will not come loose mid-ride, and molded packaging to keep each glider component securely in place during shipping, ensuring that your glider will be in pristine condition when it arrives.
You'll notice a big difference in the overall aesthetics with the smooth, flawless finish provided by injection molding. And because v3.0 will be professionally manufactured rather than 3D printed, you'll also notice an increased consistency in the quality as well as fewer discrepancies between units.
We'll also be offering a 1-year warranty on each unit, and will replace any broken unit free of charge within 1 year of purchase.
And best of all, we'll be able to offer the glider v3.0 at a lower price point due to mass manufacturing, so you'll actually be getting a better product for less money.
With the first round of production, we'll be offering the glider v3.0 for Onewheel Plus and XR in the black full bumper package, which includes both the wheels and the handle, or the black single bumper package, which includes only the wheels. All XR units will come with 2 plates and 2 battery protectors. We'll also have a plates only package that will come with 2 plates.
We are very excited by our initial offerings, but we have even more ideas on ways we can improve the glider. If we meet our specified stretch goals, we'll be able to improve the glider in the following ways.
If we raise an additional $1,000 over the funding goal, each Kickstarter order will come with complimentary XLR plugs that protect the power input socket.
For past versions of the glider, we offer 2 handle options, the extra long handle and the shorty handle. The shorty handle will be the only handle option for v3.0. However, if we raise an additional $10,000 over the funding goal, each Kickstarter order will come with a complimentary detachable glider handle extension that can snap to the side of your board for storage, providing a comfortable user experience for riders of all heights.
Plates that cover and protect the Onewheel's bumpers have become popular accessories within the Onewheel community. we'd love to offer a glider-compatible stainless steel curved plate that wraps around the bumper. If we raise an additional $20,000 over the funding goal, each Kickstarter order will come with curved stainless steel plates rather than the standard stainless steel plates.
We've received a lot of feedback indicating an interest in stainless steel bumpers rather than injection molded plastic bumpers. If we raise an additional $50,000 over the funding goal, stainless steel bumpers will become a second material option. As a backer, you will get to choose your preference of an injection molded plastic or stainless steel for your glider.
Since releasing v1.0 in 2016, the glider has evolved tremendously. Injection molding has always been the goal, and after this next step in its evolution, the glider v3.0 will be the highest quality accessory of its kind, with the most offerings at the lowest price point.
You have supported us and have loved the glider, even as a 3D printed product. But we know as an injection molded product, it'll have even more to offer to the Onewheel community.
We want to say a big thank you to those of you who have been on this journey with us and have contributed to the glider's development. We're so excited to finally be taking this next step, and we're confident that we can do it with your help and with the help of our friends at Kickstarter.
Help us help you have a safer, better, more badass Onewheel experience with the glider v3.0.
Help us give you a better, safer, more convenient Onewheel experience as we take the glider to the next level with v3.0.
Can you top that?
Give you a better, safer, more convenient
Onewheel experience.
What's that?
You alright down there? Us help you with a better, safer Onewheel experience with the glider v3.0.